Embarking on a journey of kidney health? Let's explore a palette of flavors that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also nurture your kidneys. These 20 foods are not just delicious, they're the key to maintaining a kidney-friendly diet, ensuring you savor every bite on the path to well-being. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to click on my video. If you still connected with me, please subscribe my channel. This practice will make me able to provide you more valuable information. Let's get started. Fish. The omega-3 fatty acids in fish, such as salmon and trout, are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, reducing stress on the kidneys. Additionally, the high-quality protein aids in maintaining muscle mass without burdening renal function. Egg whites. Renowned for their protein content, egg whites offer a valuable alternative to whole eggs, which can be high in phosphorus. They provide essential amino acids crucial for muscle repair and overall well-being. Skinless poultry. Lean cuts of chicken or turkey are excellent sources of high-quality protein. The absence of skin reduces saturated fat intake, promoting heart health, a crucial consideration for individuals with kidney disease. Cauliflower. This cruciferous vegetable is not only low in potassium, but also contains compounds that support liver detoxification. Its versatility makes it an adaptable and kidney-friendly ingredient for various dishes. Red bell peppers. Beyond adding vibrant color to meals, red bell peppers are low in potassium and an excellent source of vitamins A, C, and B6. Their antioxidant properties contribute to immune system support. Onions. These aromatic vegetables not only add depth to culinary creations, but also provide a host of health benefits. Onions contain chromium, which assists in regulating blood sugar levels, an essential consideration for those with kidney disease and diabetes. Apples. Packed with fiber and a variety of vitamins, apples are a kidney-friendly fruit. The soluble fiber helps control blood sugar levels, while the antioxidants contribute to overall health. Cranberries. Renowned for their role in urinary tract health, cranberries contain compounds that may prevent bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract lining. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals prone to urinary tract infections. Blueberries. Rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, blueberries contribute to reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, supporting overall kidney health. Strawberries. Apart from being a delicious addition to meals, strawberries are rich in vitamin C, manganese, and antioxidants. These elements collectively support immune function and reduce inflammation. Cherries. Known for their anti-inflammatory properties, cherries may help reduce inflammation and lower oxidative stress. This makes them a flavorful and healthful addition to a kidney-conscious diet. Cabbage. This cruciferous vegetable is not only low in potassium, but also contains phytochemicals with potential anti-cancer properties. Its versatility makes it an adaptable and kidney-friendly ingredient for various dishes. Red grapes. In addition to being a tasty snack, red grapes contain resveratrol, a compound associated with heart health and potential kidney protection. Olive oil. Cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, olive oil provides heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Its anti-inflammatory properties contribute to overall well-being. Asparagus. Low in potassium and a natural diuretic, asparagus may help flush out excess fluids and waste from the kidneys. Is also a good source of folate and vitamin K. Pineapple. This tropical fruit adds a burst of sweetness without contributing excessive potassium. It contains bromelain, an enzyme with potential anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits. Watermelon. With its high water content, watermelon is an excellent hydrating fruit. It is low in potassium, making it a refreshing choice for individuals with kidney disease. Carrots. Rich in beta-carotene, carrots contribute to overall eye health. Additionally, their low potassium content makes them a suitable vegetable for those with kidney concerns. Kale. Nutrient powerhouse. Kale is loaded with vitamins A, C, and K. Its versatility makes it an excellent addition to salads, smoothies, and various dishes, providing essential nutrients without overloading on potassium. Understanding the intricate connections between these foods and kidney health underscores the importance of a balanced and personalized approach to dietary choices. It's imperative to work closely with healthcare professionals or nutritionists to tailor your diet to your unique health needs, ensuring that you are nourishing your kidneys while maintaining overall well-being.